Hi friends, you are watching All Today Tech channel. I am going to explain about next option in MS Word, that is design option. In my previous video I explained already two options friends. This is the part 3 of the MS Word. In previous video I explained about home option and insert option. Today we are going to learn about design option. This is simple option and we will not use much this uh, options in this. The first one is themes friends. In this I already typed some matter for saving time. These themes are lot of themes here available. We can select whatever you want, what type of theme you are want to apply to your page. By selecting these themes, or we can directly create our own themes. These are something. Once you select a theme, the type of models of writing, page title, like this, all are different models you are seeing. When you are selecting on one, you see some small changes will be appearing here. These are also not, we can directly create by ourselves. Just these are using for saving our time. Once you got full knowledge on this, you can directly write matter uh, and you can directly edit by using home insert, not using design. These are for who have less knowledge, they can use these design options. Once you select this type, you can write like this. Next one is colors. You can give colors to your design. Once you are selecting design, see friends, the third one, it's changing its color, the title color changing. Like this you can change, you can directly select your colors and fonts. These are also come in home option. By selecting this also we can uh, do same thing like home option. uh, that means font size means font model. Next one is paragraph spacing. By selecting paragraph spacing, now here they give some options. You can select any one you want. And also custom paragraph spacing is there. That means you want more spacing or less spacing in, you can directly set here and click on OK. That will uh, apply to your document. Next one is effects. These are not much more important. We will not use this effects in regular or any mode. We cannot use this one. We only use, we directly use effects whatever you want. If you learn completely about what, you can do whatever you want. Next one is watermark. This is also one of the important one. To give watermark to your document, that means in backside it will appear like this, watermarks appear like this. You can set your custom watermark also. That means your name or your documents needs some special name, like this you can put your watermark on your document. Select picture watermark. You can also put picture to your picture as a watermark to your document, and also text to your text as a watermark to your document. Here we select text watermark and type the text what you want. in the text box. That means what is the text you want to see on your document as a watermark. Type in the text box and OK. This watermark appears when you print a document, then you will see the watermark on the document. Okay, if you want to see the watermark right here on the document, see friends, on the empty page you see the watermark. Just if we come to the end of the document, see friends, the last you see confidential, that is the watermark. You can see the first three letters. If you print this document, you in every page you see that one. Want to set your custom watermark. I am setting my channel name as a watermark and click OK. See friends, it changes all today tech. When you print this document, in every page you will get all today tech as the watermark. It appears in the background of the document. If you want to no watermark, then cancel watermark. Next one is page color. If you apply what color you want to your page, simply you can apply the color you want to your page. Next one is page border friends. You can select what type of page border, thick or bold, like this. Here also you can select the style, single line, dotted line, like this. You can select whatever you want. See friends, once we select page border, every page it comes border will comes. If you want no border, then click on none option. In the page border, click on none option and you can remove your page border. Friends, if you select in page border settings, none option is there. You can select none and click by clicking OK. You will remove your border. Generally in resumes like this we use borders. If you don't want color also, you can select white color, that is default color to your document. This is all about the design option in MS Word friends. If you want to subscribe my channel, please subscribe to get my future video updates, and also share my videos to your friends and family. Thank you friends. Thank you for watching.